You will lose money in cryptocurrency, and I know that that's true for 99% of you, but that's because of something that is bigger than what's happening on the charts, and it's a problem that's happening within you. And if you can understand what I'm going to talk about in this short video, you'll understand exactly how you need to overcome this and how you can be part of that 1% who will actually make money in cryptocurrency. Do me a favor, hit that like button, and let's get into this important crypto video. Now, this has been drawn to my attention from my Telegram group, my absolutely free Telegram group, which is linked down below in the description. What we can see, guys, is this Bitcoin chart, and I'm just going to use this as an example. Many people were buying into Bitcoin and other cryptos a few weeks ago when we were up here. Since then, we are now down 13%. Now, in other coins, that is a much more severe number. So you might be down 40% if you're in hbar, or 50% if you are in like XLM, or whatever it is, guys. If you put in $1,000 and you were down $500 and you've never been in crypto before, you might be thinking, holy crap, I am down right now. I'm in the wrong game. Okay, you are the reason I'm making this video. Because, guys, you need to take a step back, take a breath. There's a big problem with this type of attitude in crypto trading. If you're subscribed to my channel, then you would have seen this before, and you absolutely should be subscribed, guys, because every single day I'm telling you exactly how to find the next winning crypto projects using tools that no one else is talking about. I'm also going to share with you some real facts instead of just shilling my favorite coins, which many others are doing. This is the Wall Street cheat sheet, and this is a market cycle. You can see it goes from low to high to low, and then it will continue. It'll always do this, and it will do it forevermore. And effectively, a market cycle is how big money makes money. They buy low, they sell high, and they need liquidity from people like you and me who sit at home and trade our small bags of cryptocurrency. And what they do is they play a very clever game. They manipulate your emotions through things like news articles and just general price chart movements. And this is why that throughout the phases of this Wall Street cheat sheet, we can see hope, disbelief, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger. Now, wherever you think we are right now in this chart pattern isn't necessarily so important, but personally, I think that we're actually in the disbelief phase. I think we're in disbelief. We might see another dip. Disbelief into hope into blah, blah, blah. Okay? Exciting stuff. But there's a big problem with cryptocurrency. Everyone arrives in crypto and just thinks, this is easy money. I'm just going to make tons of money. I'm going to buy $100 into Gala coin or whatever and see 100x in the next 2 years. And then I'm going to cash out and pay off my mortgage and buy a car and do whatever it is that you want to do with that money. Which is cool. Have goals. I understand that's important. But the major problem that people fail to understand is it's not as black and white as that. Because things happen. Every day you'll look at a chart and you'll see that you're down 10% or you're up 20% or whatever. And the problem that we have is that we all have the same brain. You know, we might have slightly different thoughts and things like that, but we have the same brain. And the problem is we have varying levels of the brain, and different parts of the brain control when different things happen. Now, we have a reptilian brain, and this is not a biology lesson, guys. Stick with me. It's so important. Every animal, from like a snake to a bird to you, has a reptilian brain, okay? This is what makes us jump when we're frightened, what makes us shiver when we're cold, what makes us sweat when we're hot, okay? We all have that. We then have the emotional feeling brain. This is the thing that makes us sad when someone's mean to us, or makes us angry when someone cuts us up at a traffic light, or whatever. The top part, the thinking brain, is what separates us from the animals, you'd like to think. And this is the rational mind. This is saying, right now, I'm going to invest this money, and I'm going to cash out $10,000 or $100,000 in a year's time, and that's the neocortex, and that's pretty cool. It allows us to plan for future events. But the problem is, we still have parts of the other brain that are controlling other parts of the way we work. So limbic brain is the most important, because this is like the monkey mind. And what happens when the price starts to fall against us is we do this and we absolutely brick it. Okay. What is the problem with doing that? Well, it then stops us thinking in the logical mind. Okay. Our plan for the future reverts back to this, oh my God, I'm going to lose everything mindset. And on the flip side of things is this guy who's also super pumped up and excited when the price goes in our favor. For the next 10 days, we see green day every day. And every day we're waking up to massive gains and we're going to be rich. So we pile more cash in, We are a hero at trading. We're going to make all the money in the world. And then you get the guy who sat up here being like, yeah, Solana can't possibly be going down. I've made tons of money in Solana. I've just been paid. I'm going to put more money into it. Pretty good, guys. And then we get a pullback. Don't worry, guys. You know, happy days. Solana's going to keep going because it's obviously been going in that direction already. It must continue. And then suddenly this happens to us. And suddenly we end up back where we were. And the greedy little mind inside of us can't imagine what's just happened. We then just think crypto's a lie. No one can make money in crypto. And we return to the cycle again. And that's pretty much where we are right now. We're in basically the best position you could possibly be in for cryptocurrency right now. So why do I see in my Telegram groups and other things, people panicking that, you know, they put in $1,000 into XRP or XDC or whatever it is, guys. I don't know. Okay. And they're down 30% or 20% or 10% in the last day or two. Oh my God, I've lost the money. I'm going to sell it. Don't want to be in. Guys, this is what happens when you're buying into a project. Let's just look at Solana as an example, where someone's like here and they're like, oh, we got this pullback. Imagine all the people that were in the market of Solana here, and then it pulled back like that. 63% down. Solana then did this. It went up 11x, and it did it in about 2 months. If you are panicking about day-to-day moves in cryptocurrency, I've got a big piece of real info for you guys. You're in the wrong game. How do I know this? Because you're overly emotional. And there's a few reasons you're overly emotional. One, because you've got the same reptilian monkey mind that I have and that everyone else has, and that you don't really have the training to deal with it. And when I talk about the training, guys, this is Mark Douglas, who sadly has passed away, but was a legend of trading psychology. People spend years and years of their life to become profitable traders. They don't just become a profitable trader on day one. They roll into a cryptocurrency and think that they're just going to make money. If you read this book, which is called Trading in the Zone, which is on Amazon, I'm sure. Just going to have a look for it. No, I'm not sponsored by Amazon, for all those guys who think that I'm just selling stuff. Sorry. Then he'll break down all of these emotions and what it really means for you and why you must get the better of these emotions if you are ever going to be successful in trading. Now, there's a few reasons that you are so panicked about what's happening in trading. One, you're inexperienced. That's fine. We're all inexperienced at some point, and we obviously have to learn what's going on. And, you know, there's no better way to learn than get exposure to this. The second reason, you're putting in too much money that you can't afford to lose. I'll give you an example. If you're putting in more money than you can really afford to lose, like let's say I need $1,000 to pay my rent next month, and I put in $800 because I think I can maybe double it so I can pay my rent and then have some extra left over, but then the price dumps 30% and now I need to borrow money from my friends or my family or whoever to pay my rent. That's putting in too much money. If you put in $100 in that situation and you've got like a spare $2,000 and your rent's going to be $500, then, you know, fine. You know, as long as you can afford to live, if you never see that $100 again. Crypto should be, if you're inexperienced in crypto money should only be money that you are happy to never see again. Obviously, we're not happy to lose money, but you should be happy to lose it, because if it's gone and you can still live your life in exactly the same way you've already been living it, then happy days. You're not going to be emotionally drained when the prices are moving up and down. You shouldn't be checking charts every single day unless you're leverage trading or you've got whatever else going on. Right now, the markets are just consolidating. Look at the actual movements in the Solana chart that are going like side to side like this. This is literally no movement. This is emotional damage, guys, okay? Trust me. If you're messing around thinking and panicking when you're in like market movements like this, well, you've got something big coming, guys. This is going to blow your mind. This is going to blow your mind even more. And you need to be prepared for what's coming. And if you want to prepare properly and you want to know exactly what to buy, when to buy, well, I've got something just for you guys. And if you're inexperienced and worried about what to buy and sell, and you want me to help you and be in your corner to tell you what is going on in crypto all the time, as well as a group of other experts, then you need to get into the Inner Circle Telegram, guys. It's going to switch across to Discord in just a day or two, and I will likely be increasing the price because it's getting heavily oversubscribed right now, and I want to keep the numbers down. But if you want to lock in that price for life at $9.99, it will not change on you. I absolutely guarantee that. Then you can come and give it a try. It is a 5-day free trial as well. Link down below in the description for the Telegram group. From there, you can go across and join the Inner Circle Telegram. So get into that Telegram, which is linked down below. And then from there, join the Inner Circle Telegram. Absolutely no-brainer, guys. So my method for remaining calm, obviously with the Telegram group and guys backing me up and being in my corner, is to basically DCA in when the prices are low. If you've identified that you want to buy, in this example, Solana, or you want to buy Tenet, or you want to buy Fetch AI, or Ocean Protocol, or hbar, or Jasmy, whatever it is, if you've done your research properly and you are confident in that project, and you are buying right now, and you're expecting a 10x, then buy it right now, and then stop looking at it. Set yourself some alerts. TradingView.com, absolutely free. You can come over, and I can click, let's say I bought Solana, at $10. I bought actually at $9, and if you followed my channel, you would also have bought at $9. But you can see, let's say it gets to $40. I right click, add alert, create. Now what I can do, guys, is not look at Solana again. What I might actually do is actually right click, and at $15, I'm going to put another alert, and I'm going to write this, buy Solana. And then if it gets to $15, I get a chance to buy in cheaper. If you are a purist, guys, and you want crypto to do well in the future, and you know that it's going to do well, actually right now you want crypto to be pushing downwards. You want it to stay as low as possible forevermore, because it's going to give you, not forevermore, guys, maybe the next, year, okay? We need more time to accumulate. The more you accumulate in these areas, the more money you're going to make. Stop trying to will and wish the prices to go up. You can't control the prices. Any day, I guarantee it, no one controls the prices, okay? What happens on a daily basis, you can't control. So stop trying to control them. Just get in low, hold on, have a target price, and sell at the target price. Simple as that. It's really not that difficult. Set yourself some alerts. Stop staring at charts. Stop staring at things you can't control, because it's going to drive you crazy. I hope that's a bit of a real update for you guys, slightly different today. This morning, I also made a video, which I think will be essential to you if you want to learn how to spy on what the whales are buying right now. So make sure you hit that link for that video now, guys, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye.